हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज मैं फिर से लेकर आई हूँ एक नई टॉपिक जो है इंडियन पॉलिटी के एमसीक्यू लेकर आई हूँ मैं आज। और ये है कमिंग एग्जाम जैसे कि एडीआरई की ग्रेड 3 एंड ग्रेड 4 और फॉर एनी कम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम के लिए ये टॉपिक बहुत ही फायदेमंद रहेंगे और इसी में से ही 100% कॉमन भी आएंगे। और मैं आशा करती हूँ कि आप सबको मेरी ये वीडियो अच्छे लगेंगे। अगर अच्छे लगे तो प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर कमेंट एंड सब्सक्राइब भी कीजिए। नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो। दोस्तों, जैसे कि मैंने पहले ही बोला है, आज मैं इंडियन पॉलिटी के एमसीक्यू लेकर आई हूँ। तो यहाँ पे मैंने टोटल 30 क्वेश्चन दिया है और ये है इंडियन पॉलिटी एमसीक्यू के पार्ट 1 क्वेश्चंस। ठीक है। सो यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 पे क्या बोला है, हु इज़ नॉन एज द फादर ऑफ इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन। ऑप्शन दिया है महात्मा गांधी, जवाहरलाल नेहरू, डॉक्टर बी आर अम्बेडकर एंड सरदार पटेल। सो इसके करेक्ट ऑप्शन है दैट इज़ ऑप्शन नंबर सी, डॉक्टर बी आर अम्बेडकर. So Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is known as the father of Indian Constitution. Now question number 2. Who was elected as the permanent president of the Indian Constitution? Option दिया है डॉक्टर सच्चिदानंद सिन्हा, पी एन राव, जवाहरलाल नेहरू एंड डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद. सो इस क्वेश्चन के करेक्ट ऑप्शन है दैट इज ऑप्शन नंबर डी, डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद. So Dr. Rajendra Prasad was elected as the permanent president of the Indian Constitution. Now question number 3. Who was the chairman of the drafting committee of the constitution? ऑप्शन दिया है बी एन राव, डॉक्टर बी आर अम्बेडकर, जवाहरलाल नेहरू एंड सरदार पटेल. इसके करेक्ट ऑप्शन है दैट इज ऑप्शन नंबर बी, डॉक्टर बी आर अम्बेडकर. So Dr. B. R. Ambedkar is also known as the father of Indian Constitution as well as he was elected as the chairman of the drafting committee of the Indian Constitution. Question number 4. In which year the Constitution of India was passed? Option given here 26 November 1949, 25 November 1949, 9 November 1946 and 8 November 1946. So इस क्वेश्चन के करेक्ट ऑप्शन है दैट इज ऑप्शन नंबर ए, 26 नवंबर 1949. So 26 नवंबर 1949 को ही the Constitution of India was passed. Now question number 5. Indian federal structure is inspired by which model of the countries given below? ऑप्शन दिया है यूएसए, कनाडा, स्विट्जरलैंड एंड रशिया. इसके करेक्ट ऑप्शन है दैट इज ऑप्शन नंबर बी, कनाडा. सो इंडियन फेडरल स्ट्रक्चर को इंस्पायर किया है कौन से कंट्री से? दैट इज फ्रॉम कनाडा. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. इंडिया हैज़ बोरोड द कंसेप्ट ऑफ फंडामेंटल राइट्स फ्रॉम द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ option given here UK, USA, Russia and Ireland, and the correct option is that is option number B, USA. So India has borrowed the concept of fundamental right from the constitution of USA. Now question number 7. Which part of the constitution deals with the territory of India? Option given here part 1, part 2, part 3 and part 4. So the correct option is that is part 1, that is option number A, part 1. Part 1 deals with the territory of India and it is also under the article 1 to 5. Now question number 8. Which part deals with the scheduled and tribal areas? Option given here part 5, part 9, part 10 and part 11. And the correct option is that is option number C, part 10. So part 10 deals with the scheduled and tribal areas along with the article that is 244 to 244A. Now question number 9. Which article relates to official language? Option given here 324 to 329A, Article 330 to 342, Article 343 to 351 and Article 352 to 360. And the correct option is that is option number C, Article 343 to 351 and it is also under the part 17. Now question number 10. Which schedule deals with the administration of tribal areas in the state of Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura and Mizoram? ऑप्शन दिया है 6th शेड्यूल, 3rd शेड्यूल, 5th शेड्यूल एंड 4th शेड्यूल. एंड द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज दैट इज ऑप्शन नंबर ए, 6th शेड्यूल. So 6th schedule deals with the administration of tribal areas in the state of Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura and Mizoram. Now question number 11. In which year Nagaland was created as a separate state? ऑप्शन दिया है 1960, 1963, 1966 and 1970. इसके करेक्ट ऑप्शन है दैट इज ऑप्शन नंबर बी, 1963. So Nagaland was created as a separate state in the year 1963. Now question number 12. According to which constitutional amendment Delhi was given the status of National Capital Territory of India? ऑप्शन दिया है 69 Amendment Act 1991, 72 Amendment Act 1992, 73 Amendment Act 1992 and 86 Amendment Act 2002. इसके करेक्ट ऑप्शन है दैट इज ऑप्शन नंबर ए, 69 Amendment Act 1991, that is 69 Amendment Act 1991, Delhi was given the status of National Capital Territory of India. Now question number 13. Abolition of untouchability came under option D है Article 15, Article 16, Article 17 and Article 18. इसके करेक्ट ऑप्शन है that is Article 17. Option number C is the correct one. Article 17 deals with the abolition of untouchability. Now question number 14. Protection of language, script and culture of minorities is under option दिया है Article 27, Article 28, Article 29 and Article 30. So the correct option is that is option number C, Article 29. So Article 29 deals with the protection of a language, script and culture of minorities. Now question number 15. Who termed fundamental rights as the heart and the soul of the Constitution? Option दिया है जवाहरलाल नेहरू, B.N. Rao, सरदार पटेल and Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. इसके करेक्ट ऑप्शन है that is option number D, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. So Dr. B.R. Ambedkar termed fundamental right as the heart and the soul of the Constitution. Now question number 16. According to which article directive principle of state policy are enumerated in Part 4? Option दिया है Article 36 to 51, Article 31, Article 5 to 11, Article 51. And the correct option is that is option number A, Article 36 to 51. Now question number 17. Under which article is national emergency? So national emergency come under which article? Option given here 352, that is Article 352, Article 356, Article 360 and Article 368. And the correct option is that is option number A, Article 352. So Article 352 deals with the national emergency and Article 356 deals with the constitutional emergency and Article 360 deals with the financial emergency. Okay. Now question number 18. Name the first woman judge of the Supreme Court. Option given here Sujata B. Manohar 1994 and Fatima Bibi 1989. So the correct option is option number B, that is Fatima Bibi 1989. So Fatima Bibi 1989 was the first woman judge of the Supreme Court and the second woman judge was Sujata B. Manohar 1994. Question number 19. Nota was first used in the assembly elections of option दिया है November 2013, November 2014, November 2015 and November 2016. So इसके correct option है that is option number A, November 2013. So nota was first used in the assembly election, that is in the year 2013. Question number 20. National Human Rights Commission was established in which year? Option given here 1991, 1992, 1993 and 1994. इसके correct option है that is option number C, 1993. Now question number 21. 73 amendment of the Constitution of India is related to which among the following? ऑप्शन दिया है टाउनशिप, पंचायत, म्यूनसिपैलिटीज एंड डिस्ट्रिक्ट बोर्ड. इसके करेक्ट ऑप्शन है दैट इज ऑप्शन नंबर बी, पंचायत. क्वेश्चन नंबर 22. व्हाट इज द करेक्ट chronological order of the creation of Assam, Nagaland, Goa and Mizoram? So the correct chronological order of Assam, Nagaland, Goa and Mizoram is that is the option number C. So option number C is the correct one. Assam was created in the year 1935, Nagaland was created in the year 1963, Mizoram was created in the year 1987, but it is in the month of February, and Goa was also created in the year 1987, but it was in the month of May. Now the question number 23. Single citizenship in India has been taken from option given here Britain, Canada, both A and B and USA. So the correct answer is option number C, both A and B. Single citizenship in India has been taken from Britain and Canada. Now question number 24. What fraction of seats in private school are reserved for weaker section of the society under the Right to Education Act? Option दिया है 10%, 25%, 30% and 40%. So the correct option is option number B, that is 25%. Now question number 25. What kind of emergency in India has been imposed for maximum times? Option दिया है national emergency, constitutional emergency, financial emergency and political emergency. So इसके correct option है that is option number B, constitutional emergency. And this constitutional emergency is also known as a president rule or the state emergency. So this kind of emergency in India has been imposed for the maximum time. Now question number 26. Which system is used for the election in the Rajya Sabha? Option दिया है proportional representation system, majority system, mixed system and referendum. So the correct option is that is option number A, proportional representation system. In this system, the elected member of the state legislative assemblies elect the representative of the state in the Rajya Sabha. Question number 27. Who elects the state election commissioner? Option दिया है president, parliament, governor and state legislature. And the correct option is option number C, governor. So governor elects the state election commissioner. Now question number 28. The words socialist and secular were made a part of the preamble by options are 41st Amendment, 44th Amendment, 46th Amendment and 42nd Amendment. And the correct option is that is option number D, 42nd Amendment. Now question number 29. Which state created the institution of Lokayukta for the first time? Options are Odisha, Bihar, Punjab, Maharashtra. And the correct option is that is option number D, Maharashtra. Now the last question for today's video here given. Who is the constitutional head of the state government? Options are Chief Minister of the state, High Court Judge, Governor, Health Minister of the state. And the correct option is that is option number C, Governor. So Governor is the constitutional head of the state government.